Yo, what's up everybody? It's Henry here, back with another video, and today we're diving deep into the wild world of crypto. This is the place where we break down the complexities of the crypto universe into bite-sized, digestible pieces. Whether you're here to learn, invest, or just stay updated, you're in the right spot. We're talking about the top contenders, the heavy hitters, the ones to watch in 2024. These are the cryptocurrencies that are making waves, setting trends, and potentially changing the financial landscape as we know it. Because let's be real, this space moves fast. And if you're trying to stay ahead of the curve, you gotta know what's hot and what's not. The crypto market is like a roller coaster, full of ups and downs, and staying informed is your best strategy to navigate it successfully. Now, whether you're a seasoned crypto veteran or just starting to dip your toes into this whole blockchain thing, this video's for you. We cater to all levels of expertise, from the curious newbie to the experienced trader looking for the next big thing. We're breaking down the tech, the trends, and the potential of these digital assets. Understanding the technology behind these cryptocurrencies is crucial, as it gives you insight into their potential and longevity. From the OG Bitcoin to some names you might not have even heard of yet, we're covering it all. Bitcoin might be the king, but there are plenty of other players in the game that deserve your attention. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get right into it. Your journey into the crypto world is about to get a whole lot more interesting. Hey everyone, welcome back to HS Tech. This is your go-to channel for all things tech and crypto. We strive to bring you the latest news, insights, and tips to help you navigate the ever-evolving tech landscape. If you're passionate about crypto or just getting started, you've come to the right place. Our community is all about sharing knowledge, experiences, and staying ahead of the curve. The crypto space is more exciting than ever, with new innovations, major upgrades, and massive potential. Every day brings something new, and we're here to keep you updated on all the latest developments. In today's video, we're diving into the top cryptocurrencies to watch in 2024. These are the projects that are poised to make significant impacts in the coming year. From the big players to some hidden gems, we'll explore why these projects stand out and what makes them worth your attention. We'll delve into their unique features, use cases, and the teams behind them. So whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious beginner, stick around because this video is packed with valuable insights. We aim to provide you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions in the crypto market. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and crypto updates. Let's get started. Your support helps us continue to bring you the best content possible, and we appreciate every single one of you. Alright, let's kick things off with the one and only Bitcoin, the OG cryptocurrency, the one that started it all. Launched in 2009 by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin has grown from a niche experiment to a global phenomenon. Now, you've definitely heard of Bitcoin, but here's the thing, it's not just some digital currency, it's a whole movement. It's a revolution in the way we think about money and value. It's not just a currency, it's a community of enthusiasts, developers, and visionaries who believe in a decentralized future. We're talking about a decentralized system, no central authority, no banks, just pure peer-to-peer transactions. This means that no single entity controls Bitcoin, making it resistant to censorship and manipulation. And that's what makes it so revolutionary. It's a new way of thinking about finance, one that puts power back into the hands of the people. It's like the Wild West of finance, but instead of cowboys, we've got coders and cryptography. These are the pioneers of a new financial frontier, using cutting-edge technology to create a more equitable system. Now, 2024 is a big year for Bitcoin, and here's why: the halving. This event, which occurs approximately every 4 years, reduces the reward for mining new blocks by half. Basically, every 4 years or so, the rate at which new Bitcoins are created gets cut in half. This process, known as halving, is built into Bitcoin's code to ensure a finite supply. This means less supply. And when you have less supply and the same demand, well, you know what happens. The price goes up. Historically, Bitcoin's price has surged following each halving event. But it's not just about the price, it's about what Bitcoin represents. It's a symbol of financial freedom and autonomy. It's about financial freedom, it's about taking control of your own money. With Bitcoin, you are your own bank, and you have full control over your assets. And that's a powerful idea, one that's not going away anytime soon. As more people around the world adopt Bitcoin, its influence continues to grow. So, whether you're a believer in the Bitcoin revolution or just curious to see how this whole thing plays out, keep your eyes on BTC in 2024. This year could be a pivotal moment in Bitcoin's journey, and you won't want to miss it. From its humble beginnings to its current status as a global asset, Bitcoin's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. It's a testament to the power of innovation and the human spirit. As we move forward, the conversations around Bitcoin will only get louder. Experts, analysts, and enthusiasts will continue to debate its future, but one thing is certain: Bitcoin is here to stay. More and more merchants are beginning to accept Bitcoin as a form of payment, further solidifying its place in the financial ecosystem. It's not just an investment, it's becoming a viable currency for everyday transactions. And let's not forget about the environmental impact. The Bitcoin community is increasingly focusing on sustainable mining practices, using renewable energy sources to power the network. Bitcoin is also making waves in developing countries, providing financial inclusion to those who have been left out of the traditional banking system. It's giving people a chance to participate in the global economy like never before. The future of Bitcoin is bright, and its potential is limitless. As technology continues to evolve, so too will Bitcoin, adapting and growing to meet the needs of a changing world. So whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious newcomer, there's never been a better time to get involved with Bitcoin. The journey is just beginning, and the best is yet to come. Next up, we've got Ethereum. And if Bitcoin is the king, then Ethereum is like the queen of the crypto world. While Bitcoin has carved out its niche as a store of value, Ethereum has taken a different path, one that is arguably more versatile and innovative. But Ethereum isn't just a currency, it's a platform, a foundation for a whole ecosystem of decentralized applications, or dApps for short. These dApps are revolutionizing industries by providing decentralized solutions that are transparent, secure, and efficient. Think of it like this: Bitcoin is like digital gold, a store of value. It's a great way to hold wealth, but it doesn't do much beyond that. Ethereum, on the other hand, is like digital oil. It's what powers the entire blockchain machine, enabling a myriad of applications and services to run smoothly and efficiently. And that's where smart contracts come in. These are self-executing contracts that run on the Ethereum blockchain, automating everything from financial transactions to supply chain management. Imagine a world where contracts execute themselves without the need for intermediaries, reducing costs and increasing trust. Now, Ethereum has been through a lot lately, especially with the whole merge thing. The merge was a significant upgrade that transitioned Ethereum from a proof of work to a proof of stake consensus mechanism. But it's come out stronger, more efficient, and ready to take on the future of decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi is transforming traditional financial systems by offering decentralized alternatives to banking, lending, and trading. And let's not forget about NFTs, those unique digital assets that have taken the world by storm. NFTs represent ownership of digital or physical items and have opened up new avenues for artists, musicians, and creators. Well, guess what? Most NFTs are built on Ethereum. This has made Ethereum the go-to platform for creating, buying, and selling NFTs, further solidifying its importance in the crypto space. So yeah, Ethereum is kind of a big deal. Its versatility and wide range of applications make it a cornerstone of the blockchain world. In 2024, keep an eye on Ethereum's scalability solutions and its growing DeFi ecosystem. Scalability is crucial for Ethereum to handle more transactions and support more dApps without compromising speed or security. This is a platform that's constantly evolving, and it's definitely one to watch. With ongoing developments and upgrades, Ethereum is poised to remain at the forefront of blockchain innovation for years to come. Alright, let's shift gears and talk about Solana, the blockchain that's all about speed. We're talking lightning-fast transactions, low fees, and a network that can handle a ton of traffic. It's like the Formula One car of the crypto world. Now, Solana has had its fair share of challenges with some network outages in the past, but here's the thing, they've been working hard to address those issues, and the network is becoming more and more robust. And when it comes to performance, Solana is hard to beat. It's super fast, which makes it ideal for things like high-frequency trading, gaming, and other applications where speed is key. Plus, Solana has a growing ecosystem of dApps, including some really cool NFT projects and DeFi protocols. So, if you're looking for a blockchain that can handle the future of decentralized applications, Solana is definitely worth checking out. Chapter 4, Polygon, Bridging the Gap to Mainstream Adoption. Now let's talk about Polygon, the blockchain that's all about bringing blockchain to the masses. See, one of the biggest challenges for crypto is adoption. It's still a bit techy, a bit complicated for the average person to wrap their head around. That's where Polygon comes in. It's a layer 2 solution for Ethereum, which basically means it sits on top of Ethereum and makes it faster, cheaper, and easier to use. Think of it like this: Ethereum is the highway and Polygon is the express lane. But what really sets Polygon apart is its partnerships. We're talking big names like Disney, Starbucks, Instagram. They're all working with Polygon to explore the potential of blockchain technology. So, if you're looking for a blockchain that's bridging the gap between the crypto world and the mainstream, Polygon is definitely one to watch. Chapter 5. Chainlink, connecting the blockchain to the real world. Alright, let's get a little bit technical for a second and talk about Chainlink, the blockchain that's all about oracles. Now, oracles might sound mystical, but in the crypto world, they're basically data feeds that connect blockchains to the real world. Think about it like this: blockchains are great at securing data and executing code, but they need a way to get information from the outside world. That's where Chainlink comes in. Chainlink provides reliable, tamper-proof data feeds that smart contracts can use to trigger actions. For example, a weather insurance contract could use Chainlink to get real-time weather data and automatically pay out claims if certain conditions are met. So, if you're looking for a blockchain that's connecting the dots between the digital world and the real world, Chainlink is definitely one to keep an eye on. Next up, we've got Avalanche, a blockchain that's gaining traction for its unique subnet architecture. Now, subnets are basically custom blockchains that can be tailored to specific use cases. Think of it like this. Avalanche is like a blockchain construction kit, allowing developers to build their own custom blockchains with their own rules and features. This makes Avalanche incredibly versatile, and it's already being used for a wide range of applications, from DeFi to gaming to supply chain management. Plus, Avalanche is fast, scalable, and has low fees, making it a strong contender in the world of blockchain platforms. Alright, we've covered a lot of ground today, but before we wrap things up, I wanted to give a quick shout out to some other cryptocurrencies that are worth keeping an eye on in 2024. First up, we've got Ripple XRP. Now, Ripple has been through some legal battles lately, but if they can overcome those hurdles, XRP could see a resurgence in 2024. Then there's Polkadot, DOT, a blockchain platform that's all about interoperability, connecting different blockchains together. And we can't forget about Aptos, APT, a new player in the blockchain space that's making waves with its focus on scalability and security. And finally, there's Toncoin, TON, the cryptocurrency backed by Telegram, the popular messaging app. Toncoin is making moves in the world of payments and decentralized finance, so it's definitely one to watch. So there you have it, our top cryptocurrencies to watch in 2024. Now, remember, this is just a starting point. The crypto space is constantly evolving, so it's important to do your own research and stay up to date on the latest trends. But one thing's for sure, the future of crypto is looking bright. We're talking about a technology that has the potential to revolutionize finance, gaming, art, and so much more. So, buckle up, because it's going to be a wild ride. That's it for this one, guys. Hopefully, you found this deep dive into the world of crypto helpful. If you did, make sure to drop a like down below, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. And as always, I want to hear from you. What are your top crypto picks for 2024? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.